So dito, we solve the system 4x plus 7y is equal to 12. Then 2x plus 7 is equal to 3y. Now again, ang first natin gagawin is to label our, okay, i-label muna natin yung ating given system. So dito, ito yung ating first equation and ito naman yung ating second equation. Okay? Then, for our first step, again, we isolate the variable x or y in the first or second equation. So, again, dito sa first step, magpili tayo between the first and second equation kung saan ito yung magiging basis natin to isolate the variable x or the y. So, in this case, ang pipiliin natin is yung second equation. Okay? So, that means we have 2x plus 7 is equal to 3y. Now, itong pinili natin kasi mas madali na lang i-isolate si y. Now, para ma-isolate natin si y, ang gagawin lang natin is to divide both sides by 3. So, that means ang value ng y natin is equal to 2x plus 7 all over 3. So, that means gagamitin natin to, okay, gagamitin natin to for our second step, which is to substitute the value of y, ito, in step 1, which is yung nakuha natin dito kanina, to the first equation para ma-solve natin si x. So that means, gagamitin natin ang first equation para i-solve natin si x. So we have 4x plus 7y is equal to 12. Now, by substitution method, gagamitin natin ang value ni y, okay? Gagamitin natin ang value ni y dito para ma-solve natin si x. So that means we have 4x plus 7 times this value is equal to 12. So let's use other color for this one. Okay? So let's plug in the value of y na nakuha natin sa step 1. So we have 2x plus 7 over 3. Okay? So, ang next natin gagawin dito is to simplify, of course. So, we need to simplify this one. So, we have 4x plus, we need to distribute this one to the numerator. So, we have 7 times 2x is equal to 14x. Then, 7 times 7 is equal to positive 49. Then, over 3 equal to 12. Now, here we have the fraction. So, to get rid of the fraction, so ang gagawin lang natin is to multiply, okay, the entire expression or the entire equation into 3. Okay? So, that means we need to distribute 3 in the entire equation. So, 3 times 4x, this is equal to 12x. Then plus, of course, if we are going to multiply 3 in this fraction, the 3 is cancelled. So, ang matira na lang is yung nasa taas or the numerator, which is 14x plus 49. And this is equal to, of course, 12 times 3 is equal to 36. Then, of course, we just need to combine the common terms or the like terms. So, we have here 12x plus 14x. This is equal to 26x plus 49 equal to 36. So let's just copy this one here. Okay, so we have 26x plus 49 is equal to 36. So ang next natin gagawin dito is to isolate the x. So to isolate x, all we need to do is to add both sides by negative 49. Okay, so let's add both sides by negative 49. And this gives us, okay, this gives us, of course, this is cancelled out. So we have 26x equal to 36 minus 49. This is equal to negative, okay, this is equal to negative 13. Okay, so therefore, to solve for x, ang gagawin lang natin is to divide both sides by 26. Okay, so this is cancelled out. So we have x is equal to negative, of course, 13, negative 13 over 26, this is just equal to negative 1/2. Okay, so therefore, we have now the value of our x, which is negative 1/2. So, ang next na gagawin natin is, of course, to solve for the value of y, okay, or for the other variable. Okay, so that's our step 3 wherein we are going to use, okay, gagamitin natin, we are going to use the equation in step 1, this one, we are going to use this one to solve for y. We have y is equal to 2x plus 7 over 3. Then we have 2 times this value, okay, the value of x, plus 7 all over 3. Okay? Then we just need to plug in. I-plug in lang natin ang value ng x natin, which is negative 1/2. Okay? Then, of course, we need to simplify this one. Okay? So, we need to simplify this one. Simplify natin to. So, 2 times, okay? 2 times negative 1/2. This is just equal to negative 1. Then, plus 7 over 3. So, this is equal to negative 1 plus 7 is equal to positive 6 over 3. Simplify natin to. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So, therefore, okay, ang y value natin is equal to positive 2. So, therefore, meron na tayong value ng y natin. Okay? So, ang value ng y natin is equal to 2. And the value of x natin is equal to negative 1/2. So, para makasure tayo na tama yung values ng x and y natin, we are going to check it. Okay? So, that means we are going to check if the values of x and y satisfy with the given system or with the both equation of the given system. So, let's start with the first equation. So, we have 4x plus 7y is equal to 12. So all we need to do is we just need to plug in the values of x and y here. So we have 4 times the value of x, which is equal to negative 1/2, okay? Plus 7 times the value of y, which is equal to 2. And we're going to check if this is equal to 12, okay? So here, 4 times negative 1/2 is just equal to negative 2. Then plus 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Okay? So makikita natin na negative 2 plus 14 is just equal to 12, which is equal to the right side, which is also 12. So therefore, it satisfies with the first equation. Now let's check if it also satisfies with the second equation. So let's use the second equation. 2x plus 7 is equal to 3y. Okay? So again, let's substitute or plug in the value of x and y. So we have 2 times the value of x, which is negative 1/2. Okay? Plus 7 is equal to 3 times the value of y, which is equal to 2. Okay? Then let's simplify this one. Let's simplify both sides. So we have 2 times negative 1/2. This is just equal to negative 1 plus 7 is equal to 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So, i-make sure natin na dapat dito sa left side equal to 6 pa rin. So, negative 1 plus 7 is also equal to 6. Okay? So, therefore, this is true. So, it also satisfies with the second equation. So, therefore, for our conclusion, okay? For our conclusion, the solution, okay? The solution to the given system is, of course, let's start with the x coordinate, which is negative 1/2, and the y coordinate, which is 2. So that's the answer of our last problem or example. So that's how you solve systems of linear equation if you are going to use the substitution method.